Alright, this is a video for those people that always ask me, how do these thermostats work on these box fans? Well, here we got the Sears box fan. Set it too high. And that is all the way up. And now, what you do is do this. The heater. And then it'll eventually pop off. Maybe. It's basically like a metallic thermostat. Once it warms up just enough, it will turn on the fan. It might take a little while though. No, what I'd give to have like a freaking tripod. It's on high, supposedly. Let's see something. That's pretty warm. Should come on. This may be a failed experiment, but I do believe once it warms up enough, it will turn on. Granted, I probably could have had a better solution for this problem, but I don't. Well, there she goes. Told you. And that, my friends, is how a thermostat works on a box fan.